guess I could make a bit of a longer video about hunger, that hunger pain that we feel in the morning. That is the body repairing itself. It's still healing, because we go into like the elimination sort of, you know, healing in the evening. You know, elimination phase is from like 4 a.m. to noon anyway. So usually during that time when we feel that the stitches in your stomach and you think that's hunger, that's not hunger. That's the body repairing itself, repairing the stomach lining and whatnot from the night before, from your dietary indiscretions. And now some people may say, oh, I don't have dietary indiscretions because I eat really healthy. Well, the thing is, even like if you're taking like spices and herbs and things like that, like that's not healthy, and they're irritants, and then the body's got to heal and repair itself from that. I notice it. I mean, if I ever just have like a little bit of, say, onion powder or something, I'll notice it more the next morning, because, you know, onions are irritants, so is garlic and ginger and all these spices and herbs that we use that we wouldn't normally eat. Like, we wouldn't eat them, so why would we like dry them out and then sprinkle them on our food? Well, because I guess they taste good, or we think they taste good. But anyways, so that's the body healing itself. But then we eat, right? And we eat and we think, oh, I feel much better, the hunger's gone, because I ate. But really, you just suppressed the body's healing efforts, repairing efforts, and now the body's gone back to digestion. You feel a bit better, but in reality, you know, now the body's got even more. And so we do this for a lifetime, right? And then we wonder why we have shorter lifespans, why we're sick earlier, all this stuff, because we never let the body like go through like what it needs to do and just do nothing and just rest for a while it's got to do what it's got to do. So like when I feel that in the morning, like I don't eat. I actually just drink water and hydrate, and then I just wait for that feeling to pass. And then when I naturally actually feel hungry, which is usually around noon or 1, then I eat, and I eat fruit, of course, and so I'm not injuring my body further. So there's that. I just wanted to share all that, and I hope everyone has an amazing day. If you haven't picked up a copy of my book titled Heal Thyself and Embracing Our Natural Diet for Optimal Health, please do so. It's on Amazon, and feel free to leave me a review, because, you know, a lot of people have picked it up, but the reviews really help to get this information out, because it you know, it puts it up on Amazon in the forefront instead of in the background, which is probably in the background anyways, because I mentioned pharmaceuticals and things like that in it. So anyways, so I hope everybody has an amazing day. Our next natural diet support group doesn't begin till March, so I'll put out information mid-month to join up for that. And yeah, don't eat when your body's repairing itself. Just drink water. Tip of the day.